Hi, this is Amazing Ken. In this video, I'm going to share with you what is SUMIF. So, well, if a person don't know what is SUMIF, right, that is what happened is that they will do this, right? So let's say I want to know all the purchase sales, right? I will just look at each of them, right? And I'll just add this, and then I'll look at here and adding this another one, and I'll take a look again, right? There's nothing more, right? So I just put it there, enter, and I get these informations, right? So what happened is that I'm looking at this column, right? Whenever it's image partitions, right, I'm adding the value on the other column, right? And this column is called the sum range, and this column is called the criteria range, right? So now go ahead, we will start in with sum if range. So we highlight this in comma and highlight, well, that is criteria, so we can just type in criteria for Patricia, right, and comma and highlight this. Okay, yep, so we can see that this is the criteria range, and the criteria that we want to check is Patricia, and then the sum range is this, and we get, wait a minute, it's 5107, right? Which one did I miss, right? Let's see. Oh, there's one more here, right? Now I didn't really check. Now you can see that that is a human error, right? But I really, right, frankly speaking, I did not by any chance, right, make it, right? I just missed that as well, right? Okay, so now you get it, 5107, and that is sum if. And look at that, right? It's much easier, right? Thank you. So remember, you're amazing. Believe you're amazing and you can do amazing things. I wish you well.